Hi, I'm Anthony Connick. I'm the chairman of the new Ross St.Patricks Day Parade Committee.
I'm Oliver Sommers, treasurer of the new Ross St.Patricks Day Parade Committee.
God, there's so many. We've had good and bad ones, but I think the best one for us was probably 2 years ago when we actually dressed up. It was probably the biggest kick for both of us, I suppose.
The whole committee decided that we dress up because it was a pantomime parade. It was based on pantomime, and we said we dress up as well. And I thought it was brilliant. The whole 6 of the committee dressed up, the women and everything like that, and it was brilliant. You know what I mean, like that. But I really enjoyed going along years ago when we had the motorbikes in it and a bit of that. You know what I mean? That was before I really went on the committee. We had the Harleys in it. You know, you had seen 20 Harleys coming down the street. Everybody likes it, and a bit of roar out and things like that. That was great. It starts in September, actually, the end of September. We'd have our first meeting in September, towards the end of September. And we'd be rolling on then, and both myself and the chairman would be in contact every week. And then we have a committee of 6 altogether, and we'd have a meeting with them every 2 or 3 weeks in September, October, November. And when we get into January, then we'd have a meeting every 2 weeks with everybody. I started in the late 90s, 20 odd years ago, with other people at that time as just a helper and just a hand and giving a hand with it. And then I was asked to come on the committee then that time in 98, 99, anything like that. And then it went from there, you know what I mean. I kept going to the committee, and then we got into it. Some people left and some people retired and some people done their own thing and went away from it. And then we came along and I'm still there. I like it. I like the bit of involvement.
We'd love more helpers, we'd love more volunteers, because we can make it bigger. That's the big thing, you know. It's to get the people on the day, but it's the buzz for me is organising it, and I think I've always been like that. I've always been in the hand of it.
The buzz, I love it on the day now. I love starting off. We'd be up now at 6 o'clock in the morning. We're in town at 7 o'clock, St. Patrick's Day, to start off. The first thing you have to do is the stage, do up the stage, the buzz. And you're a little bit apprehensive to make sure everything is going to be all right. You're hoping everything is all right. Everybody gets into it. And to be fair to all the workers, to be fair to everybody, including the participants, they come along and they do what they're told as well, and they're there on time and everything goes off. We kick off fairly sharp at 2 o'clock most of the time, and everything goes smooth, and most people are very helpful. You know what I mean? I love the buzz of it. I love the bit of getting together too with the meetings. We meet, when we meet, there'll be only 5 or 6 of us, but we sit down and we have a meeting. We just have a coffee or something like that after we have like that. And that's what it is. It's together, the buzz of it. I love the buzz on the day. You know what I mean? It's over, as Anthony have said, it's over in 15 hours from start to finish. God, you're gone home and all at 4 o'clock in the evening. You know, and everything is great then.
Well, sure, look at. I have to be honest with you. The biggest thing I love seeing the kids' face on the day. It's for all the kids, really, for me. I just love putting on stuff like that. I've been in many committees, but this one is obviously it's a real working committee. I have to say, the lads are really good. They give us great support, but it's the kids, it's the enjoyment. Yeah. It's where they come over and tap you and say hello to you, and you know they actually know you by person, by name, and you know you can have good fun with them. You know.
No, I wouldn't be drink oriented at all. It wouldn't be that public house orientation to me at all, but I love the atmosphere. I'd even take the Dublin Parade and I'll look at it that night or the next day or something like that. I love it, and the bit of what they come in on around the country next evening on Nationwide. I love looking at that now and things like that, and then they'll come into America, of course, it's the big one really, the show, but it's in a lot of countries now, you know what I mean, where there's a parade. I think it's marvellous for Ireland, you know. I know we have our Taoiseach going over and giving the Shamrock, whatever like that, but it's a marvellous, you know. A good holiday and things like that. Now it's only going to be sometimes the middle of the week it's a bit downfall, but the weekends especially, a weekend Patrick's Day is very good actually for people, you know. But I like it, I like the buzz of it, too.
Yeah, look at it, we're Irish. Every Irish person loves Paddy's Day. They treat it so much different in America. I had the privilege of going in 2014, one of the last years of the town council, and I got the honour of walking in the parade as the representative with the twin city of Hartford in Connecticut, and I always remember, due to the fact that I flew out on the 14th, if I rightly remember, and I was back here organising the parade. I came straight from the airport to the Irish town to start the parade. I was fairly tired, I have to say, but we had a good old laugh. But I'm just saying it was totally different It's the way they present. They really respect us and our national day. It was a fantastic achievement, and it's something I'll always cherish. And then, as I said, I came back here, and you know, the shamrock on the suit, and you're away with the suit and tie on, and you're walking down as an elected member as well. You know, it's a very nice feeling, I have to say, and I'm proud to be Irish. You know.